Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I will be going through how to freeze your location in Life360 without anyone knowing. Now that said, let's dive right in. Alright, so if you go to the support page on life360.com, you will see that there is an article on how to get this done. But then again, this might not be what you're looking for, but I'll still go over it over the steps, and I will show you an alternative to this. Alright, so if you have your mobile app, you can go to settings and of course go to location sharing on your mobile app within your settings and tap. There should be a slider where you can toggle between on and off, and this should of course pause your location on the map. But then again, this might not be what you're looking for, but it is an easy step, and I will be going over an alternative. And one alternative that I found is this one called iMove Go, and this is an application that allows you to spoof your GPS location on your iOS and on your Android. It's available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and of course Android, and there is of course a 30-day free trial, and you can get your money back if it's not what you're looking for. But this does work. It has been proven to work, so you can try this out. It does allow you to because if you try stopping or disabling your location on your Android device or your mobile device, it will of course reflect on your Life360 application, and that might not be what you're looking for. Or if this doesn't work for you, there are alternatives on your app store. You can search for applications that will allow you to spoof or fake your location, and of course you can try and see if that will trick Life360 app, the Life360 app, to change your location or of course pause your location. And well, that said, that is kind of all I have for this video. It was a quick one, and I do hope this video helped you. If it did, do well to smash that like button and of course subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.